Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is part 2 of my accent wall series. Part 1, which will be linked down below, was me creating this accent wall, painting the wall, putting up this decal, patching the wall, and doing all that fun stuff. If you're interested to see that video, please go check it out. So in part 1, I told y'all that the arch was not cut symmetrical, so I reached out to the seller and they agreed to send me a replacement. So the next clip is just going to be me installing the replacement arch. Hey y'all, welcome to part 2 of this video. I got the replacement wall arch in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and unravel it and see if it's any different from the one that I have up. I'm just hoping that they cut it properly this time so we can be good to go. So let me go get it. So it comes in a tube like this. So after holding it up on the wall, it looks like I'm gonna have to reinstall both because I just assumed it'd be the same exact color, but it seems like it's 2 different colors when I'm holding it up against each other. So I'm gonna have to take down both of them and put up a new one. So the takedown was pretty easy. The only thing I didn't do was listen to the seller. He told me when I remove the one that's not cut right, I should use a blow dryer when peeling it off the wall. And I didn't. So some of my paint did peel. And now I'm just installing the new wall arch. It comes in 2 pieces like this. And this what I was talking about when I said I just thought I had to only replace one side, but I had to replace both sides because they weren't the same exact color as the new decal that I got. But if you want to see a detailed video on how to install this arch, go ahead and watch part 1. I am just going to speed through it here because I explain all that in part 1. So this is me comparing the before and after. The after is definitely better. It's just, it still wasn't cut perfectly, but we gotta move on at this point. Hey y'all, today I'm just going to be trying to see what I can find at the store for the decor part of my office. I know I can find most of the stuff on like online or Amazon, but sometimes you can just find some deals in the store and you're able to, you know, see the actual size of things, because sometimes Amazon can be a little bit deceiving if you don't pay attention to the details of the sizing of different pieces. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop at 2 stores, Burlington and Home Goods, and if I can't find anything that I like in those stores, then I'm just gonna go online because I'm not gonna be doing all that ripping and running. So yeah, let's go ahead and stop at Burlington first. So when I got to Burlington, they did have a lot of cute stuff. Like I found this pompous grass vase that was like $12, and then I also found like a pink vase that was marked down to $2.59. So do not sleep on Burlington. Unfortunately, I did not find cute small pieces that I needed for the shelving. And then I also went to Home Goods as well and had no luck there either. Hey y'all, so basically they dang, that shirt is loud. Basically, Home Goods was a fail. I didn't find anything in there that was even close to what I was looking for. So I guess we're just gonna have to do the rest online shopping. But at least it was worth like testing it. At least it was worth going in just to see if I could find something that I like. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and then we'll just have to order the rest online. Hey y'all, so this is the unboxing part of the video. I'm gonna be unboxing all the little decor and stuff that I got off Amazon and Walmart, believe it or not. I find a lot of cool stuff online as well as far as home decor, especially when it comes to like lighting fixtures and all that stuff. This first piece is from Walmart and it looks huge. Trust me, it is not that big. This box is very deceiving. I just have like I mean, the decor piece is not that small, but it's definitely not this big. I don't know why they put it in this big old box, but what the hell is this? This is not what I ordered. What the heck is this light? This is some freaking leaves. I'm gonna show y'all what I ordered and what they sent me. Just in life. Freaking leaves. I did not order this. I ordered a chain. I was calling because I just opened up a package that I ordered off Walmart, and it's completely like the wrong thing. Like it's not what I ordered. So I was wondering if you could send out a replacement or what I actually ordered. Oh, Walmart do not play. I'm telling you, I just got off the phone with them and they're like, oh yeah, we're gonna issue a refund, and literally it came in like, I just got the refund like that quick. So, but basically, no wonder I was so confused on why this package was so freaking huge, because look, it's freaking leaves. And the guy on the phone was like, it shows it's delivered, but I'll issue a refund. Dude, I'm not trying to get over on you. I'm not trying to steal. Yeah, it says deliver, but it says it's the wrong thing. So anyways, so I ordered 2 acrylic shelves to go on my wall. But I got some acrylic shelves. 2 of these came in a pack. I'm gonna have to see if this sits too far out. I might have to return these. I'm so glad I'm unboxing this on camera, because I'm like, we'll see how they look on the wall, but I think I might have to return it, because when you're sitting, you don't want something to like hit you in the back of the head unless it's kind of higher up. After measuring the shelving on the wall compared to where I'm going to be sitting at, it actually was perfect, and I did not have to return them. So I just went ahead and installed the shelving. Super simple, easy process, and I think that they turned out really good. So basically, the next item that I'm gonna be unboxing, little bubble candles. I'm like obsessed with bubble candles. I think they're so cute, and they're a little chipped. I can tell they've been spray painted. So these are really just for decor. But look how cute. This one is rose gold, and it comes in a pack of 2. Really cheap. I think it was like $5-6 for 2 of these. And that color is so super cute. I think it's gonna add like a nice pop on the wall. And then I also got 2 more in this burgundy color. So I feel like this will really look good in the room, because you know my colors in there are like burgundy, mauve, pink, and colors like that. So I think these 2 would be really cute. I decided to stack the bubble candles like this to create like a larger candle, and I think it turned out so cute and adds a unique like art piece on the wall. So I just picked up some cute little velvet This color is wine, I believe, pillowcases, because I feel like it's gonna tie in the curtains. These two pillows, they say it took 3 days to expand because they come like suctioned in. So that's why I opened these previously. But aren't they so cute? Like, they're so cute. This is the medium and this is a small. And I feel like they're just the cutest little accent pillows. So I had tons of pillow filling left over from this big bag that I ordered off Amazon before, because fun fact, most Amazon pillows that you see are only gonna come with the it doesn't come with the actual filling in it. It's just the pillow cases, and you have to fill them yourself most of the time. And that's either with stuffing like this or like pillow inserts. This is the LED light, just says XOXOXO on it. We'll see how it looks once it's lit up. This LED light looks so nice on the wall. I really appreciate how it had the different settings on it. Like, you could dim it really low so that way it's not too bright on camera. And I just love this addition to the wall. It's super simple, girly, and cute. Is it just me, or when you order something off Amazon, like, okay, say I make a big order off Amazon, and then when it comes, it's so, like, the packaging and everything is so small, you're like, everything I ordered fit in that small box? Like, it's very confusing. And then I also got these little fake pampas. This pampas was absolutely like the perfect addition for the wall. I love the colors, and I actually paired it, I actually placed it in this vase that I got from the Dollar Tree, and you can't tell me that's from the Dollar Tree. It looks so cute and perfect on the wall. Instead of getting the chain, I decided to get this heart statue in the color rose gold, and I feel like it looks perfect with the candles and just the vibe of everything. It's so cute. Okay, this has nothing to do with the video. This stuff is great if you work out and you want some caffeine. I highly recommend this amino energy. Might be it, to be honest. What's this? Y'all, they sent me it's on camera, y'all. They just keep on. They sent me double. I didn't steal, y'all. They sending me stuff that I did. I am stacked up. You see this? Yes. Let me go and make sure I didn't actually buy double. I love when, I mean, it's good that they're making sure that whatever this is not gonna break. What is this? Oh, this is some sauce that I ordered. This is turning into what I get from Amazon, because this has nothing to do with the video. But this dude right here, what's his name? G. Hughes, award-winning sugar-free sauces. He's known for doing a lot of sugar-free sauces. I'm gonna have to do like for a food video, all the condiments and hacks that I do. But basically, this is Polynesian sauce, so you know, the sauce you get from like Chick-fil-A. This is sugar-free though, and it tastes so good, and it's only 10 calories. And I'm gonna go ahead and order that chain again, and then I'll obviously show you guys when it arrives. I think I saw the same chain on Amazon. It was just Walmart was cheaper, but since Walmart is not sending me the right stuff, I'm going to actually probably order it off Amazon. So while I was painting, I actually just put like taped some trash bags on the wall so that way I can protect the windows, but also for privacy reasons. So of course the first thing that I had to do was put up some curtains, which I'm so thankful my husband helped me out with those. They're just these beautiful burgundy curtains that I got off Amazon, and they are perfect because they're not totally blackout, so you still get a little bit of sunlight through them, but they still provide you some privacy and things like that. I'll insert a picture of what I used and also have it linked down below of the guide that I have with my curtains. They're basically supposed to be closer to the ceiling than they are to the top of the frame of the window. It just looks more grand and more, makes your ceilings look taller and everything. So I really am happy with that hack. Overall, I really feel like this space turned out so nice, and I love all the different pieces that I got from Amazon and Walmart. Like, they are really some gems if you're looking for home decor, and I'll have everything linked down below if you want to purchase anything. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.